What's up, bike check? It's my custom verde cartel. It's pretty sweet. It's the cartel 2 for it, by the way. It's got United stickers on it, because I got a bunch of United parts. I mean, like, yeah, but anyway. We'll start with the front tire. The front tire is Duo brand, 2.0 by 2.25. Front female axle sealed, really nice. I love it. On this side of the wheel, we have a stolen forged chromoly peg. It's really nice. I love them. Just got them today, and they slide really nice. It's just a van sticker I stuck on there because it looks cool. Yeah. These are the stock Verde Vex XL forks. I really like them. They haven't bent or anything, so that's good. This is the Verde Cartel 2 frame. I really like it. It's really long, 21.2.5 top tube. It's really good. This is the stock stem. I don't really like it. I kind of like took it and flipped it upside down just because it looks cooler that way. But anyway, here's my bars. The stock bars that come on here. It's alright, I guess. But they're 8.5 inch rise and 28.5 inches wide. I like those. Just a textural brake lever and stock brake cable. We got Colt grips. Just got those today too. They're really nice. They're comfortable. I really like them. Alright, we'll move on to the seat now. The seat is a United Beacon pivotal. It's really fat, really comfortable. I mean, if you get a side view, you can tell that it's like really, really fat. Anyway, alright, we'll go on to the cranks. The cranks are pretty much stock cranks. They're Odysseys, but I mean, they get the job done. I'm not going to complain. I got a new Sunday sprocket today. Right there, it was like 30 bucks. It wasn't bad. But on here we got the Shadow chain, the half-link chain in white. It's really nice. Got that today too. I love it. It looks so freaking cool. Right here we've got the Colt PC pedals in blue. They're really nice too. I love them. They look so cool. It goes with the theme of the bike too. Back here in the back we've got the 9-tooth driver, of course. This is a Cinema 333 rim and hub, same as the front. It's a sealed hub with 9-tooth loud driver. I'll show you what it sounds like here in a second. On this side, of course, we've got the stolen forged peg and stuff, as always. It's cool stuff. We got the same tire on the back as we do the front, the Duo brand 2.0 by 2.25. Well, I'll go ahead and show you the sound we got here, the hub sound. If you look right here, look it up just a little bit. Anyway, that's my bike check.